Hey friends, this is Michelle John. Hey, I just wanted to come and show you how to get the bulk of your wish list for free. And the best way I know how to do that is by having a party with me. So let me show you what all you would get when you have a party, okay? So our average company party is $600, and what that gets our hostesses is $120 in free stuff. You get 2 items at half off. You can get 2 hostess exclusives. And those are items that are majorly discounted, and they only our hostesses can buy those. And you can also get our hostess special, and that varies month to month, so it just depends on which month you party on what's available to you, okay? So the first thing I'm going to do is show you the free stuff, and I'll go down from there, okay? So the first thing I would get you is our large utility tote, because that is our #1 seller in the catalog. And I don't know anyone who doesn't need one of these bad boys. They are great for anything. And the second thing I would get you is our All About the Benjamins wallet. Now this one is my absolute favorite because it has a ton of space in there. You got lots and lots of space for just about everything, okay? And then I would get you our Ruby Mini. And this I use to organize my purse. It keeps all the small stuff contained, and it keeps me from having to dig to the bottom of my purse whenever I need something. And the last thing is a cinch sack, because I don't know if it's adults or children who use these the most, but these are great for when you're traveling. So you get all those for free, okay? And that's $120 worth of stuff. So you would also get your half price items. I would get you, because it's so cute, a close to home table gallery. This is brand new to us. They come with 3 pictures. It is a mango wood holder that's holding these. These are interchangeable. And so whenever you get ready to switch them out, because these are metal, you can easily put magnets on the back of them, slap them on your fridge for a cute magnet. You can even upload them upside down because it comes with a hole on there so that you can insert a Christmas ribbon, which would be a really cute Christmas gift. And to order more, these are only $8 a piece, so super affordable. So those are $58 for the whole set, so you get for $29. And then the second item I would get you is our color block tote. Now this one here is mine. I love this color for fall. And I like it because it's a nice medium-sized purse, and it's got plenty of room for me in there. And that is $72, so you would get that for $36. Now, for our Hostess exclusive, I would get you our Get Creative crate. And I'm going to tell you guys now, this has got tons of room in here. This is going to be perfect for my scrapbookers. So it has a flap that zips all the way around. Has a ton of space inside. So if you work with vinyl, you could hold lots of vinyl in here. This would also be really good for a Christmas wrapping station. So yeah, lots of space on the ends as well. There's 2 pockets here, another pocket. So as you can see, there's plenty of storage. There is on the other side as well. Really big pocket, and then 2 pockets. I mean, those go down pretty good size, pretty good depth. And then in the front, there's tons of space to this, guys. You have a pocket right here, and then you unsnap it on each side. You've got a clear pocket right here, another one right here, and then you've got a big mesh one right here. So for our hostesses, you get these for $40. And then the next thing I would get you is our Essentials carry-all. It would be a nice travel bag. It would also be really good for a diaper bag, for a hairdresser. I mean, there's really nothing that could go wrong with this bag. So it's got lots of compartments inside that you can see for storage. You can wipe it out really easily. It also has a zipper compartment up front. So pretty good size zipper compartment, as well as a thermal pocket right here, and it goes all the way to the bottom. And a shoulder strap to boot, that way you can go hands-free. All that is from our $600 party, right? So next one is $120. This is what most of my hostesses go after because you get more bang for your buck. In addition to all that you just got, you're going to get an additional $130 worth of free stuff. So I'm going to show you what all that looks like. So I would get you the Essential Storage Tote, which is 28 bucks. I use this when I grocery shop or when I have a lot of errands to run. Keep the car organized. I would get you a stand tall bin. These are perfect for a hamper, and it's really good size. They're embroiderable. These would be really good for your throw blankets or your pillows, the kids' toys, stuffed animals. If you have boys, I would have killed to have it when my boys were in Nerf guns when they were younger. Oh my gosh, it'd been so much easier. So that's what you would get for free. It's 50 bucks. And our zip top organizing utility tote. It's got the big inside and it has 7 pockets on the outside. There's 3 in the back, 2 in the front, and then 1 on each end. Okay? I have a lot of teachers, a lot of nurses, just moms in general too. This is a good everyday bag. If you need a lot of pockets, this is the way you want to go. So that's 35 bucks, but you get it for free. And then we have the double duty caddy. And I actually have this one here set up because I'm giving it as a gift. But it's 25 bucks. Let me show you the embroidery on this. Is that not freaking adorable? So this is great for several things. If you need to organize underneath your bathroom, your paper plates and your plasticware, anything like that, your mail. I have one that says sort and file. So it's perfect for mail as well. So you get all of that, including what I showed you before, for free, right? Then you get another item at half off, which I would get you the Glamour case because it's going to be great for traveling. Has a wipeable inside. It's got the brush holders as well as a pocket right here. Then it zips right up and it's got a handle. So you would be ready to roll. Pair that with that essential carry-all, bam, you're golden. So that's $25 and you would get it for $12.50, okay? Now here's the thing. When you hit at $1,200, you get your Hostess exclusives for free. So you get 3 of them absolutely free. That means you're not paying for the crate and you're not paying for the essential carry-all. So the other thing I would pair you up with, and this would be good either for your home or a great Christmas gift. So I put the John family on ours. Now this is really nice heavy wood. It's a mango wood and it's got the wrought iron handles. And it's nice and thick and it is food safe. Now I personally use it for decor, but you can use it for whatever you want to. So you get that for free also. And let me see, how much is that one there? That one is $68. You actually, or the discount would be $30. So you get that for free also. So all of that combined, you would only pay $85 for everything I showed you. And that is literally just 10 bucks more than this one purse. That's why you want to have a party, because you get so much out of it. So if you want to get hooked up for the fall, then holler at me and we'll get you set up. Have a great night.